Introducing the NovelVox CTI connector for Creatio. One partner, all platforms, all versions. Creatio plus any contact center, made simple. Delivers seamless customer experiences with effortless connectivity. Get instant screen pops with caller details, right inside Creatio. Automatically save call logs, notes, and interactions within Creatio. No manual effort. Click any number in Creatio and connect instantly. It's that easy. Trust NovelVox for powerful, out-of-the-box CTI connectivity with all major contact center platforms. Seamless experience, delivered with Creatio and NovelVox.